One of the hardest things when you're doing a recipe that calls for honey is getting the honey out of the measuring cup. No problem getting it in there, but getting it out is tough. I'm going to put my canola oil in first, and then measure my honey. And one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to swirl this canola oil around in the cup, because I'm going to put my honey and molasses in next, and it just comes out so easy once you've done that first. Here. And I'm going to tell you, blackstrap molasses is so good for you. Now look how that honey came out of